Hi Josh. How is your day going? It's going pretty well. My company just started using a machine learning algorithm to read through job applications and help us hire the right candidates. It will help us make the right hires quickly and effectively. Machine learning? That's pretty cool. It's good that your company is using modern technology in the workplace, but you might want to be careful of potential biases that could seep into the algorithm. Biases. But it's a computer program. Isn't that supposed to prevent against bias? Well, you know what machine learning is, right? Yeah, of course. A computer program is given large sets of data, and from this data, it learns how to carry out certain processes. For example, in the medical field, doctors can first show the algorithm pictures of cancerous cells and non-cancerous cells. The algorithm will find patterns and trends in the images, and pretty soon it will be able to identify cancerous cells on its own. Yes, that's exactly it. The example you gave and the software your company uses are both examples of supervised machine learning. In other words, the algorithm is given a set of data, and for each item in the set the program is told whether it is right or wrong. With your company, the program is shown an application, and it is told whether that applicant was accepted or rejected. However, this is where it can get tricky. In machine learning, the algorithms are often fed with data from human decisions and determinations. All humans have some implicit bias, and this can be carried over into the algorithm as well. Really? Wow, I never thought about that before. I think that makes sense though. Studies have shown that when recruiters are given identical applications, they are much more likely to hire someone who is a man or has a white-sounding name. So you're saying these kinds of biases can creep into our machine learning algorithms too? Yes, exactly. If the algorithm is given a set of applications where most of the white candidates were hired and most of the minority candidates were rejected, the computer program will pick up on this pattern and make decisions based partially on race. This algorithm could then perpetuate and intensify the biases that are already present in our hiring processes. Another example of machine learning gone wrong was Microsoft's AI Twitter chatbot called Tay. I remember hearing about that. This computer program was supposed to engage users on the social media site and act like a teenage girl. Yes, exactly. This program used machine learning. It was supposed to interact with young people on Twitter and learn to imitate their speech patterns and lingo. Unfortunately, it didn't turn out too well. There are a lot of nasty things said on the internet, and the computer program wasn't able to differentiate between what is appropriate and inappropriate to post on social media. The program started tweeting swear words and hate speech, because it was imitating the young people on Twitter. Microsoft had to pull the program off of Twitter within 24 hours. Wow! That's crazy that it could happen that way. So we know that there can be issues with machine learning algorithms, but what can we do to fix this? Well, there's a couple of different things we can do. From your company's perspective, it's very important just to be aware of these biases. Your hiring team should periodically check in to make sure the people you are hiring reflect your diverse pool of applicants. From a software developer's perspective, they also need to be cognizant of these potential biases. If developers know that people on Twitter can use foul language, they can implement a mechanism that prevents the computer program from tweeting swear words and hate speech. In terms of your company's hiring algorithm, developers could make it so the program doesn't look at applicants' names or demographic information in order to ensure a fair evaluation of their skills. Hey, all of these sound like great ideas. With that, it's also important to have a diverse group of developers themselves. That way, the developers can gain different perspectives and continue to be aware of the potential biases in their programs. Very true. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are extremely powerful technologies and are already having a huge impact on our world and society. However, like any technology, it's not perfect. Being aware of its flaws and biases can help us use this technology to its fullest potential. Wow, thanks for talking to me, Andre. I sure learned a lot from this conversation, and I hope you have a great day.